sold over the first 12 months. So, during the first 12 months, an average of 96 what? Cars. Not cars per month, it's just cars. Well, it is per month. Are sold per month. But the 96 is the number of cars, and that's how many it is sold per month, because on top is cars.
I thought I just spelled R wrong, but I didn't.
And on bottom is one.
That's how tired I am.
I thought you meant the letter R. Like, how do you misspell the letter
No, I spelled R.
Okay, C. Is it possible that a value of C, for 0 to 12, exists such that S prime of C is equal to the average rate of change? What is that? Which theorem?
NVT.
NVT.
No.
Rolls is when it would be, S prime of C would be equal to what?
0.
0. That's rolls.
I haven't even done the work.
Okay, so that's going to be our reason for the answer. Okay, so first off,
I got her on 18.
What?
S of t is 1500 minus 2700 over t plus 2. I just distributed the 300 that was up here.
Oh.
We'll do this one by hand.
Why?
Well, because.
Because you have to.
Well, no, you really
What?
don't have to. I'm going to write it like that so we don't have to do the quotient rule.
There's a bunch of
The only value at which S of t is discontinuous is what? Where does this give us a problem?
-2.
-2. -2 is not in there. So S of t is continuous, and I'm about to show that it's differentiable.
Wait, would it cause us a problem?
Yeah, because it's under the line.
It causes a problem, why?
Because it's under the line.
Yes, -2 would cause us a problem, but -2 is not in this interval.
0.
2 is, not -2. But yes, -2 would cause a problem.
But you're subtracting
But it would
subtracting that by 1500.
But you wouldn't even have a value to subtract because 270 over 0 is
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So S prime of t is equal to positive 2700 times t plus 2 to the -2.
Yes.
Times derivative of what's inside, but that's just 1. So I can rewrite that as 2700 over t plus 2 squared. So that is equal to 96.429. Where did I get 96.429?
The average.
Yes, that was the last problem. Just making sure. Okay, cross multiply. I get 2700. Divide by the 96.429. It says 28. Is that right?
Why? How is it only 20?
I know. That's what I'm like. What?
28.
It's perfectly 28?
It is.
How? Why is there a decimal?
Well, if you divide it by what the original one was, I just typed it in the whole thing. I just went up there and hit enter.
I get the decimal.
But it's 28 equals t plus 2 squared. Square root of both sides.
The square root of 28 does not exist.
Plus or minus square root of 28 equals t plus 2. Subtract 2. You have the positive square root of 28 minus 2.
Wouldn't the
Huh?
negative not be equal to?
Right, the negative's not going to work. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in here and then say, oh, look, it doesn't work. And then the other one is negative 7.292, but that one doesn't work. Oh, look, it doesn't work. So I give a reason for the answer. Our reason is MVT. That's the mean value here.
Mean value.
Why is March next week? Is it next week? Literally
Okay.
Sunday is the last
The
day.
functions f of g are differentiable for all real numbers. So again, if it's differentiable, that means it's continuous.
C.
And g is strictly increasing. That means even in between here, even though we don't know what's going on, we know this one says it's strictly increasing, so it must be going up forever. The table gives values of the functions and their first derivatives as selected values of x. The function h is given by this. Bless you. Find the equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line, what do we have to have?
Slope.
So,
Slope in.
Points.
Yep, point, pot and slot. Pot and slot. Oh, I'm so glad that's what that was. Pot and slot. Find the equation of the tangent line drawn to the graph of h, where x equals 3. Okay.
The fact that you called face cough a sneeze.
Oh, that was a cough?
Oh, you're laughing about that. That's right. You're the cough. No. No. I was laughing. No. You're saying your cough.
Oh my gosh.
wait, what?
I
Okay.
said bless you, but I was like, I looked at face and I was like, that's a cough. That was not a sneeze.
So h of 3 is going to help us find the point of tangent C. G of 3 I can find using this table. Here's 3, so G of 3 is 4.
F of 4.
F
F
of
of 1
4
is 6.
is negative 1.
F of 4 is indeed negative 1.
6 is 5. No, negative 7.
Where are you?
At home.
So that point is 3, negative 7. SOT is h prime of, I'll do x first, and then we'll plug in 3.
3, 2, 1.
F prime of g of x
I forgot to do this.
It was a name.
times g prime of x, and then 6 goes away.
I didn't forget to do that.
You did or did not?
I did that. I thought it was going to be more complicated.
Oh. G of 3, g prime of 3. We'll finish this up. Ooh, Monday, but still do the homework.
What are we
What do
doing
we do
Friday?
tomorrow?
Oh, derp. Never mind. Just kidding.
No, we'll do it tomorrow.
I was thinking today was Friday.
We'll do it Monday.
Shush.
We'll do
We
it
came to school for
Monday.